For free music and sound effect download you need to go YouTube and then you need to go YouTube Studio. Now scroll on the left side like this. Here you can see the option Audio Library. Click here. Open tab is free background music and sound effect library. You can download from here billion of background or run music and effect here. You can also play music from here, just click right play icon. Just click on the right download icon, it will be download automatically. You can also download sound effect from here. You can also search on the search box which type music or effect you need. All the music are copyright free. Thank you for watching the video.